The journey of sap to syrup takes 2% sugar sap from our trees, reduces the water, and brings the sugar density up to 67% to make it maple syrup. Most of that work traditionally has been done by boiling away the water in the sap. This can take hours and hours and lots of energy, whether that be firewood, propane, oil, or electricity. But what if there was a way to remove some of the water in the maple sap before it's put into the evaporator? That would save time and money. There is a technology called reverse osmosis. Reverse osmosis machines are commonly used to purify water, and now it is used in the sugar house. Instead of purifying water, we want to remove the pure water from maple sap. Reverse osmosis machines use a high-pressure pump and a very fine filter, or membrane, to squeeze water molecules out of maple sap. The maple sap is then separated into a tank of pure water and a smaller tank of sap with a higher concentration of sugar, called concentrate. The concentrate is then put into the evaporator and boiled into syrup. Here's an example. To make 1 gallon of maple syrup, you need 44 gallons of maple sap that's at 2% sugar. Once you boil away the 43 gallons of water, you will arrive at 1 gallon of maple syrup. However, if you put your 2% maple sap through the reverse osmosis machine first, you could remove about half the water to take the sugar content in the sap up to 4%. When the sap concentrate is at 4%, you only need 22 gallons of concentrated sap to make that 1 gallon of maple syrup. That's a huge savings in boiling time and fuel. Imagine the savings if concentrated sap is up to 8% or even higher sugar level. Most maple producers use reverse osmosis machines to remove around 75 to 90% of the water, which reduces their energy consumption and time boiling the sap by around 75 to 90%. Some reverse osmosis machines run automatically when the sap tank fills up, or can be operated remotely from a phone, while the maple farmer is working in the woods. Applying this technology in the sugar house has saved time, energy, and money for maple producers. It is so widely used that even backyard sugar makers can purchase or make a small reverse osmosis unit to suit the size of their operation.